Hello everyone, and welcome to video 1 of 3 of how to construct the 3D saddle block broken out sectional. So in order to do this drawing, we are going to first need to draw a few circles. So using the circle command and using any point as your base point, we will make our first circle of a diameter 2 1/8. The second circle, which will have the same center, will have a diameter of 1.5. The last circle right here, also with the same center, will have a diameter of 13/16. So now once you have that, we are going to draw two lines. One from the bottom quadrant and to the right 3 7/8. We'll now draw the same line on the top quadrant of the outermost circle, 3 7/8. And we need these circles on the other side as well. So instead of redrawing them, we will simply use the mirror tool. So select them all, enter mirror, specify as the mirror line the center of the two lines that we just drew, then up, and here we have two. This is one symmetrical piece now. And now we need to draw two more lines 5/16 in from these two lines. So we're going to use the offset tool. Set the distance to 5/16 and select the two lines that we drew and specify that you want them going inwards. We'll now trim the excess line so that the new lines that we just drew are only in the center of the piece, not intersecting any of the circles. Now we need a 1/2 diameter circle in the center of this. So I'm going to draw a line straight through it so we can use the midpoint of this line that we just drew to draw our new circle, which again has a diameter of 1/2. You now delete that line. Now we actually need to round these edges so they have a diameter of 1/4. So we're going to use the fillet command, not fillet. It will prompt you to select the first object, so select the line. And now you're actually going to want to specify a radius, so enter R, and specify the radius of this to 1/4. Hit enter, now select the second object, which would be the circle next to it, and then do the same thing for both, for all four corners. You don't need to re-specify the radius as 1/4, it saves that, but we will need to change it later when we need to do a different radius for the fillet. So that was all for video 1 of 3. We successfully made the 2D model, and in the next video, we will be actually extruding it into the 3D model and physically turning it into a broken out section. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.